So today I'm going to discuss a sample participant problem, which is website development project. By the way, I am Romeo B. Calipes Jr. from BSMAT 3B. So here's the problem. A company plans to develop a website. Then the project consists of the following activities with their precedence, relationship, and durations. So sa activity A start the project, which is ang duration is 3 days. So from A, we can go to B, which is ang duration is 5 days, or C, which is 4 days. Then B leads to D, which is 6 days, and both D and C feed into A, which is 4 days. So which then goes to F nga 2 days. So our objectives is to find the earliest completion time, the critical path, and any slack in non-critical activities. So I'm gonna show you the network diagram. So muna siya akong network diagram. This diagram showing the logical sequence. So let me walk you through two possible start to end paths. So muna siya, makita nimo siya A to B, D, E, F. We add their duration. If atong i-add ang duration, muna siyang 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. So mo equals niya siya sa 20 days. So then ang A, C, E ug F, that sums to 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. So mag-equals siya to 13 days. So the project duration is determined by longest path. So at first glance, the project will take 20 days if there are no delays. So muna siya atong forward pass, which is ang earliest times. So now we compute earliest start. So E is an earliest finish time using forward pass. Start at time 0 for activity A. So muna siya. So ang pag-solve din sa forward pass is ang E is, which is ang early start, is a plus na to siya sa duration, so which is ang 3. So 0 plus 3 equals 3. So muna siya ang atong mahimong earliest finish, which is ang AF na siya equals 3. So padayon na to, 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7, and so on. Padulong na siya sa activity F. So that gives the earliest possible project finish of day 20, confirming the earlier path analysis. So next is ang backward pass, which is ang latest time. So the backward pass finds latest start, which is ang LS, and latest finish, which is ang LF, times without delaying the project. Start from project finish at day 20. So sa pag-solve aning backward pass is ang atong button is ang LF, which is ang latest finish, is i-minus na to siya sa duration, so which is ang 2. So 20 minus 2 is equals to 18. Muna siya ang nasa latest starts, which is ang kanang LS, muna siya 18. So ipadayon na to. So 18 minus 4 is equals to 14. 14 minus 6. So on, padulong na siya sa ubos. So para makuha na muna siya, padulong na siya sa ubos. So next is ang kaning slack float calculation. So slack or float for each activity is LS minus 2ES. If slack is equals to 0, the activity is critical from our numbers. So muna siya ang atong slack float calculation. So pagkuha sa ano to pagkuha sa slack ani is, which is ang ES ug LS is atong i-minus. So 0 minus 0 is equals to 0, 3 minus 3, 0 and so on. So ang nakalay si activity C, which is 10 minus 3 equals 7. So the critical activities with 0 slack form the critical path A to B to D to E to F. So the total length 20 days. Any delay in this activity delays the whole project. So activity C can be delayed up to 7 days without affecting project finish. So muna siya si activity 6 lang ang ma-delayed o up to 7 pero dili niya makapiktahan ang uban activity sa activity A, B, C, D, A, B, D, E, F. So critical path. So critical path is equals to muna siya kung ikuan. Critical path length is 20 days and any delay in these activities will delay the whole project. So last is muna siya interpretation of results. So the project will take 20 days to complete if no delays occur. Activity C has a slack of 7 days, meaning it can be delayed by up to 7 days without affecting the project. All activities on the critical path must be closely monitored. The critical show where management should focus on resources. So here's the recaps.